My surgeon was Dr. Wingetter out of Kansas City, and as part of my recovery, I had 3-week use of this portable Connect device, which I found to be very awesome in helping recovery. I will say that it's not a standalone only. You've got to do this in conjunction with other prescribed PT from your doctor. I did this in conjunction with 3 other PT sessions every day, and after 3 weeks I'm able to walk without a cane or an assistance, and I'm looking forward to being able to climb flights of stairs up and down, and starting next week I'll be able to drive. And I also think in its own way it helped decrease the dependency of drugs, because you build up some stamina and resistance to pain. I think all things related to knee surgery are improved. My flexibility is improved. I mean, I used to start with basically not being able to bend my legs, and now I'm up to 90 to 95 degrees. I can climb up a couple stairs now. So I think all in all it's been real helpful in me regaining my flexibility and usage of my knees. Well, a couple things that are real helpful. One is it eliminated me having to drive, or my wife driving me 3 or 4 days a week to a remote session. That was probably the main thing. And I also could do it at my own convenience. Initially it was 5 sessions per day and then went to 4, but I could pick my own time whenever I wanted to do it. So it's totally up to me and my timing and my convenience as to pick the times I did that.
Good. Surgery.
Absolutely. I think it has to be done in conjunction with something else. I don't think PT by itself would give you the results of a combination of the Portable Connect and PT combined.